Hey, Yaron from Deepchecks. When you're analyzing LLM performance, it's rarely enough to look at whole sessions. Very often, the real story sits inside a specific span, a tool call, an agent response, or a small piece of metadata your pipeline emits. Until now, isolating those cases required switching screens and manually digging through spans. To make this much easier, we've added advanced filtering by span attributes directly into the overview screen. You can filter by span name, tags, status code, or any metadata field that's flowing through your system. This means you can zero in on exactly the type of spans you want to investigate without leaving the dashboard. Once you apply a filter, the entire overview instantly recalculates to reflect only the matching spans. So the version score and score breakdown now represent the subset you're focusing on. Your insights panels, like weak segments, recommendation insights, and others, all update as well. And even the Analyze Property Failures feature shows only the failures coming from the filtered spans. This makes it much easier to understand how specific agent steps, tool calls, or metadata-driven cases are contributing to your overall performance. This level of precision allows you to follow a thread from a single spanner node all the way through its impact on quality, consistency, and behavior, all from one place and without needing to jump between views. Advanced span filtering helps you turn broad dashboards into focused investigations, so you can quickly understand what's happening, where it's happening, and why.